let's cut my hair. I washed my hair, it's still wet. I braided it because I thought it might be easier to cut. I'm going for like shoulder length, so a couple inches. If you've been watching my videos, I had like some problems with my hair because I was bleaching it a lot and it started snapping off mid-shaft. So some of it's way shorter than the rest, so that's why I want to even it out. Make it all the same length. So let's begin. We're going to start off small. I got a braid back here too. Honestly, braiding it seemed like a good idea because that first cut was actually pretty even, not as bad as I normally do, basically. There you go. Is it perfectly straight? No. Is it mostly straight? Yes. And if you're looking too close, why are you looking so hard? Back up. It's about time I did that. Like I said, it was uneven because it was snapping off mid-shaft. I was tired of it. I tried to let it grow out as long as it could. I'm going to keep using my Olaplex. Hopefully that helps, but it was time for a haircut. Now my hair feels way better. So tired of it being uneven. But yeah, I think that looks great. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.